Hello, my name is Candace Ray, and we will be discussing some questions on Module 6 assignment in human development. The first question is, how does research on life conditions that accelerate telomere shortening illustrate the joint influence of heredity and environment on biological aging? Telomeres are found at the end of chromosomes. Basically, they are a cap on the ends of the chromosomes. The cells won't duplicate if they get too short. When senescent cells increase, this also contributes to age-related diseases and premature death. Shorter telomeres increase your risk for diseases and cancer. Telomere shortening is caused by cigarette smoking, physical inactivity, obesity, and eating unhealthy foods, and insulin resistance, as well as age. Telomeres increase in length when we make positive and healthy changes. They preserve the genome information. Aging, of course, shortens it. When it gets so short that it's critical, the cells experience apoptosis and senescence. Question 2. Why are people in committed relationships likely to be more sexually active and satisfied than those who are dating several partners? You are more likely to be satisfied and sexually active if you are in a committed relationship. Good sex is said to be a result of a trusting and committed relationship. Women especially crave these characteristics in their sexual relationships. People are less anxious and insecure in committed relationships, and they know each other better, so they are more comfortable and secure than those that are uncommitted and dating several people. How does expertise affect information processing? Why is expertise necessary for, but not the same as, creativity? Experts are structured well, so they are more effective at solving problems. Their knowledge is activated easily, and they search for solutions efficiently. Creativity is related to expertise, but they are different. Expertise does not need creativity, but creativity does need some type of expertise. People can be creative or an expert in many domains, or it can be in few domains or none at all. You can transfer creativity and expertise. You can't transfer, creativity and expertise from one domain to another if they are unrelated. What student and college environment characteristics contribute to favorable psychological changes during the college years? The 7 changes during college age are studying proficiency, emotional management, autonomy, finding your identity, various types of relationships, finding your purpose, and gaining integrity in all of these changes. Student ability, of course, has to do with personality, for example, like ADHD, but the environment can help improve study skills because of all the resources available. There's group study, nice study areas, guidance, tutoring. All of those resources are useful and conducive to improving studying. What cultural changes have led to the emergence of the period known as emerging adulthood? Between the years of 18 and 25, there is a new life stage called emerging adulthood. Exploring identity, instability, focusing on yourself, feeling like you are between a kid and an adult, and feeling the endless future possibilities. Emerging adulthood is identified in mostly industrialized countries where people go to college and start marriage and parenthood at the average age of 30. The longest period for emerging adulthood is in Asia and Europe because they are more sexually conservative, they are focused on self, but they have more obligations to their parents. When non-industrialized countries become more affluent, the emerging adulthood population can grow because currently in most of these non-industrialized countries, the emerging adulthood stage only exists in the elite middle class, for the most part. Defining adulthood can be difficult because of the unclearness of setting boundaries that constitute being an adult. Cultures can widely vary in the ages they think young people should be expected to take on more adult responsibilities and adulthood in general. According to Levinson, how do the life structures of men and women differ? Well, Levinson says that life structure has an organized order with a pattern that does not change in the building and transitional periods of the life cycle. The order concept refers to an adult's pattern of structure changing and building. During the building period, they accomplish building a structure, like a life structure. They develop expectations, friendships they are invested in, the concept of self, goals, children, family, profession, social roles, and social life, and preferences. They review their current structure, find opportunities to change in self and other relationships, and develop their preferences. Levinson said a person's central elements in their life are family, marriage, and work. During the end of early adulthood, they review their life and transition to middle age, develop new goals, and the such. Levinson's and Erickson's theories are ideal to understand and explain the psychosocial development through the lifespan. And there are my references. Thank you so much. I look forward to the next lesson.